Hello, I'm Fungus Akira. I'm native Japanese. Do you know the number of first person in Japanese? It is I in English. Actually, the number is more than 15. Of course, not all of them are used in everyday life. This is because many of them were used in older times, but some of them is used in novel, manga, drama. So I'd like to explain this in a few parts. In this video, I'll explain the first person, which is still commonly used today. Let's get started. 私 Watashi is very popular first person in Japanese. In private, female use this first person. But in official situation, also male use this. So we frequently use this first person. Image of watashi is serious. By the way, here is an example of manga character that uses watashi. 俺 Many male use this first person. This is cool and manly first person. So female rarely use this. But of course, some female use 俺. We call women who use the 俺っ子. 俺 is very private first person. So we usually use 俺, but we use 私 for official occasions. By the way, here is an example of manga character that uses 俺. 僕 Many male use this first person, but not as much as 俺, because 僕 have a strong image of seriousness and weakness compared to 俺. 僕 like 俺 is rarely used by women. We call women who use the 僕 僕っ子. By the way, 僕 is in the first person and there is nothing wrong with using it in an official setting. However, if women use it, they may feel a little uncomfortable, so it's better to use 私 if you are a woman. Here is an example of manga character that uses 僕. In this video, I will take a look at 3 of the more than 50 most commonly used first person. The other first person will be introduced in a future video. Finally, if you are studying Japanese and are not sure which first person is best for you, I recommend 私. No matter who you are, no matter what situation you are in, you won't seem weird. So I'll leave it at that. If you think it's good, please click the good button and sign up for the channel. Goodbye.